Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer. Should you buy it? Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer first look. This is the launch that small kitchen dwellers have been waiting for finally. A dual-zone air fryer that doesn't take up half your kitchen. It follows the trend of Ninja launching new smaller air fryers, as with the Ninja Air Fryer Max Pro 180 UK, which we recently awarded 5 stars in our review. The double stack, being arranged vertically rather than horizontally, can instantly have the amount of space needed for it on your countertop. And even better, this air fryer comes with 2 removable wire grills, so that you can create 2 levels in each drawer, and therefore have access to 4 cooking spaces at once. On our exclusive first look at it during its launch, we loved the controls running down the side of the exterior, as well as the matte gray color, straying away from the classic black box look that air fryers usually have. It's a big yes from us on the first impression. Even better, it has a multi-cooking mode that'll allow you to cook 4 different dishes at the same time, using different cooking methods. It also features the sync and match functions that'll be familiar to anyone who already owns a dual-drawer Ninja. Switch on sync, and the food in both drawers will be ready at the same time so you can dish up right away. Meanwhile, match lets you copy the cooking setting across from one drawer to another. The control panel is situated on the side of the Ninja Double Stack XL 2-drawer air fryer, and it comes with 6 preset functions including air fry, bake, roast, max crisp, reheat, dehydrate. The temperature and time can be customized using the dial button, and users can choose between using the top or bottom basket individually, or at the same time, thanks to Ninja's dual-zone technology. During the Shark Ninja EMEA launch event, I saw the Ninja Double Stack XL 2-drawer air fryer in action, and I was incredibly impressed by it. The baskets are cleverly divided up using the plates and racks, and the food it produced was incredibly tasty and moist. As someone who hates having too much clutter on my kitchen counters, the Ninja Double Stack XL 2-drawer air fryer is definitely the next appliance on my wish list. Overall, I am impressed with my Ninja, and I should have bought one much sooner than I did, as it is saving me money, it is saving me a lot of time, and most importantly, it produces some excellently cooked food. If you are only going to use one of the baskets, then Zone 1 is the default zone to cook with, but what I particularly like about this is that, for instance, you can air fry at 200 degrees in Zone 1 for 30 minutes, and you can roast in Zone 2 at 180 degrees for 20 minutes at the same time by pressing sync and then start. This will start Zone 1, and when it reaches the 20-minute timer, Zone 2 will come off of hold and start roasting. If you remove the basket, such as for chips, to give them a shake, then the timer will pause until the basket is reinserted, and if both zones are cooking, it will pause both timers. The other option that I really like, which is nice and easy and can maximize your output if you're cooking the same thing, for example, if you had to air fryer 1.5 kilograms of chips, then place your chips in both baskets, and on the Zone 1 display enter in your temperature timer, and press match, then start. This will duplicate all of the information to Zone 2, which makes it easy and super efficient. The max crisp is set at 240 degrees, and this is the only function that the temperature can't be changed, and it could be set to a maximum time of 30 minutes. The air fryer function can be set between 150 and 210 degrees, and has a time range between 1 minute to 1 hour. The roast function allows you to use the Ninja as a conventional oven, which has a temperature range of 120 to 210 degrees, and has a timer that can be set from 1 minute to 4 hours. The reheat function has a temperature setting of 130 to 210 degrees, and can be set from 1 minute to 1 hour. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from meat, vegetables, and fruits. This temperature can be set between 40 to 90 degrees, and has a set time of up to 12 hours, allowing you to create healthy snacks. The bake function means that you don't have to wait the usual 10 to 15 minutes that your conventional oven would take to preheat, which is perfect if you just want to knock up a quick dessert. The temperature setting is 120 to 210 degrees, and has a time range between 1 minute to 4 hours. This Ninja air fryer is super easy to clean compared to my previous Tower air fryer baskets. Overall, we are very satisfied with our purchase, as it has so many functions, not just an air fryer.